Good morning, class 9 children. We have already covered all the topics in of the chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure. Today, I have to take some questions from your side, and at least we should must deal the question answers already given in the NCERT books. We categorize the students into gifted children, intelligent children, medium children, and slow learners. Well, we have to see all the students of all categories. Well, today I am going to deal you about NCERT questions which has been given in the last page. So you can ask any questions and I shall answer about it.
We, which separation technique will be used? Sodium chloride from its solution in water.
You see, sodium chloride is NaCl plus water. You know, this will be dissolved. Sodium chloride, namak, will dissolve in water. So the process used will be what? Evaporation. Let me tell you what is evaporation. The changes of water into water vapor. So that is evaporation. We have to put the mixture outside in the sun. Water will escape out and NaCl will remain left. Even you can use boiling. To fast evaporation, we can use what? Boiling. Even distillation process can also be used to separate both NaCl and distillation. But any answer, if choices are given, you can give the choice. Otherwise, very simple. NaCl, mixture of NaCl and water can be separated through the evaporation, process of evaporation, or through the boiling. Any other?
Ammonium chloride from a mixture containing sodium chloride and ammonium chloride.
You see, ammonium chloride plus NaCl, or in place of NaCl, suppose here is same. Whatever it is, ammonium chloride is a sublimating substance. Is it? So the process used will be sublimation. Sublimation. Again, remember, what is sublimation? Some solids on heating changes directly into gas, and when that gas is cooled, it directly changes into solid again. That is what sublimation. So here the mixture of ammonium chloride and common salt can be separated through the process of sublimation. Any other question?
Small pieces of metal in the engine oil of a car.
Metal piece, very small metal piece. Generally, iron pieces will be there, and engine oil. So here you see metal pieces, especially there are machines are made of what iron material also, which is magnetic. So magnetic process can be used. You have heard about the electromagnet. So electromagnetic process can be also used to lift the metals from the oil engine. Any other question?
Different pigments from an extract of flower petals.
Yes, chromatography. I have discussed about your chromatography. So the different pigments obtained from the petals of the flowers can be separated through the process of chromatography. It is a technique in which the different colors or pigments are separated. Any other?
Butter from curds.
Butter from curds. You see, butter from the curds, that is what? Centrifugation. What is the word used? Centrifugation. I have already taught you. Even butter from milk can be also be separated from what? Centrifugation method. Any other question?
Oil from water.
Oil and water. You see, oil and water immiscible. पानी में नहीं घुलेगा. So this can be used by separating funnel. Separating funnel. Is it? We have already discussed. So this can be. You have to give the name of only techniques only. Separating funnel. Yes.
Tea leaves from tea.
Yes, tea leaves from tea. We are using tea. Tea leaves from tea is separated through the process of filtration only. Is it? Filtration. Again, any other?
Iron pin from sand.
Iron pin. Here it is clear. Iron pin plus sand. One is magnetic substance. Iron is magnetic. Sand is non-magnetic. So we can separate them by using a strong magnet.
Wheat grains from husk.
Wheat grains. Wheat grains, गेहूं का दाना and plus husk. You see, one is heavier, another is lighter. Heavier and lighter. So wind can be blown so that husk will go away and wheat will get down. This process is called what? Winnowing. Winnowing.
And second and last, find mud particles suspended in water.
Yes, mud particles suspended in water. Mud, you see, mud is, some mud particles are suspended in there. So that is called one process called loading. First you try, this is the name of the process. So you see, suppose here is water. Suppose here it is the mud particles. It is the mud particles. So what can we say? If we mix alum, if we mix alum, then what will happen? Alum will be charged, it will stick to these particles, make heavy, and it will settle down. So loading process, it is separated through the loading process using alum, and then we can decant it. Any other question?
Name a few natural mixture.
Natural mixture means we have not made mixture, but it is already a mixture. You see, number one very good example is air. Air is a mixture of many gases. Now seawater. Seawater is a mixture of water and common salt and so other salts. In the same way, blood. Our blood is also a mixture. Again you see wood. Wood is also a mixture. And these are natural mixtures. Soil. Soil is also what? Natural mixture. Coal. Coal is also a natural mixture. These are natural mixtures. Listen once more. Air, seawater, blood, wood, soil, coal, etc. are natural mixture.
Name